Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show how you can test and play Mortal Kombat 1 for free in your Steam. So if you just want to do that or play the game, open your Steam and search for Mortal Kombat, and you can see the time and date of today's March 3, 2024. So once I just got the result, I already have the Mortal Kombat 11. Now I'm going to test and play Mortal Kombat 1, which came up this year in 2024. So I just directly check the prices and I can play that now here in 17 hours. So if you just want to test and play this, just go download and install the game to your PC and enjoy. Let me click on accept, and when I'm back to downloads, you can see I got the Mortal Kombat 1 for free. I know the game size is very big, but it worth to play. Let's test it. So this is all about how to test and play the Mortal Kombat 1 for free in Steam. So if you just want to get new updates like this to test beautiful, amazing graphic games, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification. If you just like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.